Hello. Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today we're gonna be drawing stuff. You get me? We're gonna be drawing stuff with the Siser Sublimation Marker. So I'm gonna take my chair, I'm gonna set it here. What are Siser Sublimation Markers? Well, I'll tell you. Siser Sublimation Markers are exactly that. They're markers that you use to sublimate. Let's break some stuff down. First, what you're gonna need, you need your markers, you need your piece of paper, just normal printer paper, 8.5 by 11, whatever, cut in random shapes, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. And you need a heat press or something like that, like the Cricut Easy Press or a little Cricut like iron thing. Whatever you use to sublimate normally, that's what you need. And yeah, that's kind of it. You know, so normally if you really wanted to, you could print something out on your piece of paper and then afterwards you could go in and trace it with the markers. I'm not gonna do that. We don't plan that far ahead. I'm gonna wing it and see what happens kind of person. And now we're seeing what happens. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see, what do we have black here? I don't see black. Un momento, por favor. We have black in this one? Okay, yeah. Side note, new front angle. It doesn't matter for you, but new front angle. So this is, what? Got it, I got it, I think. You need to be tilted up some more. Okay. If you haven't figured it out already, the Siser Sublimation Markers come in 3 different packs that I know of, that I have here. 3 different packs that I have at my disposal. There's the, what would you call this pack? This is the pastel pack. It comes in pastel, the black pack, and the primary colors pack. I'm not gonna use the pastel because I'm basic and it's easier. We got our blacks and we got our primary colors. We're gonna freehand stuff now. Yeah, that's what's happening. We're doing that. So I'm gonna take my black one. What should we draw? I'm not a good drawist. I was thinking about drawing Doodle Bob from SpongeBob, but nah. I'm gonna draw a little plant person. Bear with me. Why is it still so bright? Better. He gets it. You're coming over here. Start off, my little plant person. Let's draw a pot. Little pot, look at him. He's starting out great. He's a U. He's just a little U. You can't see that, whatever. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna give him little eyes. Little tiny smile. He's beautiful. He gets a mustache. Yep, he's getting a mustache. Ooh, it's a weird looking mustache. Let's give it some curve. He's amazing. What should his name be? Comment below what you think his name should be. I messed up just a little bit. Told you, I'm not a drawer. Not big on the draws. The draw leaves. So what we're gonna do, we need green. We're going for green. He's just a big leaf plant. That's what he is. Woohoo, look at him go. You see? You can see, look at him. Give him some kind of stalk or something. Should he be a little flower person? I think he's gonna be a little flower dude. What's happening? Okay, green, a little more of that. Oh, look at him. He's really coming together, isn't he? I think his petals are orange. Oh Lord, it's occurring to me that I don't know how to draw flowers. Yeah, sure, that looks like you think that looks like a flower? What do you think? I think that looks like a flower. Fun fact, this isn't just a drawing video. This is a how-to video to use our sublimation markers. Disguised as a drawing video. My black back. I'm gonna do some outline. These really come together. Let's give him the legs. Little stick legs with some shoes. That one came out a little weird. Yeah, that's fine. Some little arms. Some little glovey hands. Mittens are dope. Yeah, blue mittens and red shoes. Blue flower, red thorns. Blue flower, red thorns. That's what I should have done. Oh, man. That would have been such a good little thing. Oh, well. Blue flower, red thorns. Blue flower, red thorns. I'm colorblind. I'm going to reiterate this. I am not a drawer, and I don't want to be a drawer. That's not what I feel called to do. Yellow pot, that's what he's going to be in. A nice yellow pot. He's amazing. His plant's floating, but he's amazing. Look at him. Cool. Now we're gonna do is let that dry for a second and turn on our heat press. Step 1, turn it on at 370 degrees for 45 seconds. Step 2, take your shirt, put it on here or whatever you're using. Step 3, make sure you do this to get out the wrinkles and such. taking Jim Bob with me, put him down. If you're tracing something, you need to draw it backwards. And then clamp it down for the full 45 seconds and you wait. Your settings for pressing your marker sublimated drawing thing are gonna be different for soft items versus hard items. So I will put those on the screen here. Get out of here. That's how you do it. Look at him. He's so stupid. Oh, he's a goober. Look at him. He's so goofy, I love him. So yeah, that's how you do it. Sublimation markers, look at him. He's so... All right, well yeah, that's that. Appreciate y'all coming. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.